Before I start this one, I want to give a big shout out to my boy Dwayne underscore Yang. I want to know go follow him on Instagram. You don't know. My friend, go and go follow him right now. Him follow back. And when you do it, just DM him and make him know that Dekiboo sending you. And you don't know, it's another post notification shout out time. So today's post notification shout out goes out to Fashionable You. Thanks Fashionable You for commenting always. Big up yourself. Bless up. This is What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I will be trying out baby food, specifically Heinz and Gerber. So stay tuned to the end of this video, like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell and be the first to comment so that you can get a shout out. Alright, so the first flavor is banana. This is Gerber. Are you seeing it? And Heinz. Now, just kidding, I like baby food. I'm gonna try Gerber first. Hold on.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
No, what's up? Okay, I'll just use some. Oh, God. Gerber.
And I
Not too like this. I'm not too like that one here. It have a raw taste to it. This smells funky. Wait, the spoon now go down here. Gerber one tastes bad. This I was alright. This is a Gerber. It tastes raw. It don't taste like banana at all. I don't know what it tastes like. This have one little sweetish, kind of sweetish, weirdish taste. I don't know how baby do it. I don't know, but for a fact, I think Heinz don't taste better than Gerber. Babies. No, this is peach. No, peach. This in Gerber about mango. Cause I couldn't find the peach. No peach. So mango versus peach. Heinz is peach. Let's try the peach. Heinz. Let's see. I don't know. Honestly, I not lie. I used to say I like baby food, but maybe because I just brush my teeth. I don't know how I go on. Something is wrong. Some have Gerber mango now. Next, Jesus, peace. Oh, watch out. Look. First of all, it's so thick. Guys, when I lie, I plus the mango in the grab. Look on it. You take too much. Baby good, baby really good. Cause this is literal shit. The mango in the gerber. The peach. Yeah, I did try this already. Heinz peach. Now we have, how about this? Pear. Ooh. Yeah, pear. Two of them are pear. Alright. This is Heinz. No, sir. That don't make it. Why? No, man, girl, I want me to. Yo. I can't believe I see him to put me there use one.
You serious?
Oh, well. Why? A gerber. Lad!
You just see us good.
Me no. Oh, baby. No, this gerber. Me feel bad. I waste my money. I know it's a challenge, but I plan to eat them after. But the pear in at the gerber, it just tastes like iron. Like maybe I did. I don't know. I watch it. Oh Lord. 4 more down. This fruit cocktail and fruit delight. The fruit delight are from Gerber. No. Let me try Heinz first, yeah. Oh. Alright. Fruit cocktail from Heinz. I like this. That one I have a buzz. I like it. The fruit cocktail. Fruit delight now. Ooh. No, girl, yo. Them nothing say. Ooh. Oh God. Fruit delight. I'm afraid. I'm gonna taste it first. Guys, honestly, or rather the fruit, I went in fruit cocktail than the fruit delight. And we reached to the last. I feel bad. I feel my stomach. I eat breakfast, guys, but come here, sweet. The baby food that have me away. Last but not least, drum roll, please. We have guava and we have this orange or papa. Try this Gerber first. Tell them they lock it too tight. Oh, the people them. Why? No, Jesus. Teacher. taste moldy. Acha, and easy for food. Let's taste the. This is the last, I hope. You know when them say save best for last, it smell like guava juice. Come, only taste it first, I'm afraid. Taste it. These are the best. These are the best. The guava one, nice. I like it. I like it. I like that one. I like it. It's nice. But not lie. Why every one of them could taste like it? I tell you the banana. I don't like the banana. I love banana. I don't like the banana. I don't like the pear. I don't like the fruit delight. I don't like the mango. But the guava, the guava nice. The guava, yeah man, the guava nice. The guava, you see if I have a child, I make sure it's like guava me give her. Anyways, so this is the end of my video. Like, comment and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. No, not tomorrow, not later, not when you watch the next video. No. And if you make it through the end of this video, I thank you for watching all of this video. I hope to do another challenge some other time with you guys. So yeah, that's just it. And make sure you go watch my last video and all of the previous videos. Bye guys. I'm gonna try my dog with it. Let me see. I give him this fruit delight. Let's see if she'll eat it. Well, I didn't waste my money. I get all of them.